Okay, trying to find a little help. I'm hoping I can probably place this on YouTube with some responses. I'm having some electrical problems that I thought I had resolved, but apparently not. Um, Turn signals and different lighting situation when I pull the headlight switch all the way out. All right, so let me just do this slowly but surely. I hope you all can bear with me. My camera skills are not all that great. Um, I need to put the key on to do this. So let's do that. Okay, key on. You can see the light. All right. Um, Left-hand turn signal. That seems to work. Uh, on the front, and hopefully. Oh, all right. I apologize, and you can see that the left rear is working as well. All right. So, left rear. All right. Let's go to the sides. Back again. Um, my garage is a total mess. Looks like somebody put a cherry bomb in it. Okay, next one is the right. If you can see it, that is working as well. And these are with the headlight switches off. All right. And you can tell that is working as well. Okay, so um, next would be turn this off. Emergency flashers, which are right here. Those are working. They seem to be pretty bright. All right, so those are working. Once again, with the headlight switch is in the off position, and you can see the emergency flashers. All right, pretty bright actually. All right. Okay, so I will turn these off. Okay, so that pulls out. Okay, the headlight switch. All right, let's see. Headlight switch right there. Okay, I will turn these on. And as you can see, that's all the way out. And driver's side on, as well as the headlights. And that's on the low position or the dim position. But the right hand turn signal is not working with the brights, well, with actually the headlight switch on. Very bright. Let's see what that looks like in the back. All right. Driver's side looks nice and bright, but none on the right hand side, not on the passenger side. So I'm a little confused about that. Okay, so if we use the headlight, the dimmer switch, if you will, which is down here. Oops. All right. All right. And those with the brights on. Now, the brights are working well, but as soon as I press that dimmer switch, that's bright with the low end, and it's very opaque when I put the brights on. Okay, let's see. Let's see what the back does. I wish I had help with these, but I'm on my own right now. And again, these seem to be opaque. And still none on the passenger side. Zero. And the brights are on. Okay, let me turn those off. All right. Okay. So that is my situation now. I'm gonna see what you guys can help me with this. I'm sorry. Okay, so I'm hoping I can get a little bit of help. I need to take the hood off. I put the hood on with the idea of trying to finish this up. It's getting nice out. It's March 7th, 2024. I'd like to get this done. I need to attach that hood to the fenders as well. If any of you have any idea on how to do that besides the screws, because there were sheetrock screws from underneath into the top portion of the hood. I like to use something else, maybe some sort of pen nuts, something like these.